Today I'm pressure washing, so I bought this surface cleaner from Northern Tool. It's a 12-inch max 3000 psi. My pressure washer is 32. I don't think it's gonna matter, so yeah, I'm planning to pressure wash my deck. Figure this is gonna make it faster. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it's really simple. It comes with 2 bolts that go into this handle. You don't want to get them really tight so that the handle can swivel. It's a self-locking nut, so it's not going to come loose. This is hand tight on there. Comes with 2 extra nozzles. They're the same size as what's in there, but I guess when they wore out, we can use these. Now let's give it a go. You can see the oxidation gone. It's really good. I'm really happy. It goes really quick. Those rollers make it really easy to move. You can use it with one hand. It doesn't get hung up into the grooves. It's really nice. I'm using it with POWERHORSE pressure washer from Northern Tool. This is a 3200 psi. The surface cleaner calls out for 3000 psi max, but I don't see anything wrong with it. I'll be doing this whole deck. This is an unstained, unpainted deck. Planning to stain it, so I'm doing this in preparation of staining. It's pretty awesome. I'm really happy with it. And when I'm done with this, I'm probably gonna do my driveway, because that needs some attention as well. If you like this video and helped you in any way, don't be a stranger. You know what to do.